Hello. In this video, we will be providing some basic information on how to effectively use GEODI. We'll go through each heading step by step. What is GEODI? GEODI supports over 200 formats and performs data exploration. It can generate maps from spatial information available within the content and discover data. GEODI can be used to check compliance for PCI DSS, GDPR, HIPAA, or other regulation. Information related to GEODI standard features is provided within this video. Your license may contain different modules. Login page. We begin by entering the GEODI address into the browser. You will be welcomed by a login page. You can log into GEODI with the username and password provided to you by your institution. If permitted, you may also log in using your Google account. GEODI. Here is the GEODI. At your first login, GEODI welcomes you with a short guided tour. We highly recommend to complete this guided tour. You are currently looking at the search page. Depending on your project scope, this page allows you to search through documents, websites, email accounts, social media accounts, or databases. Typing "plan" to the search box will bring all content containing this keyword. You may scroll up or down by using the mouse wheel. Just like Google, you may keep changing the keyword till you find what you are looking for. Now let's add London in front of our keyword. The search result will bring content containing the words London and plan at the same time. A content may be an invoice, a report, a social media message, a database row, an AutoCAD file, DWG or NCZ, a Microsoft Office or PDF file. Viewers. From the search results, let's open one of the PDF files by clicking on it. As you may observe, the file that we opened consists of multiple pages that we can scroll through. If you are authorized, you may as well download the file. The masking option is included within our current license. This enables you to download the document by masking financial and personal data. With GEODI, you no longer need to carry your files with you. 24/7 without the need for any additional software license, you can access and view your contents. Searching from dates. One of the most differentiating features of the GEODI apart from Google and other search engines is the semantic search. Let's show how semantic search works on searching dates. When we query January to December 2020, regardless of how the dates are written in the document, GEODI manages to find them. Date is one of the most important criteria we use in searches. Semantic searches provide precise results. Consolidated search. On the left panel, we see the data sources used in this project. We see the number of content found by source. GEODI searches all sources simultaneously. That is, file servers, emails, web pages, or social media. There's no need to go through each source individually. You do not need to go to each source separately. It also allows you to search much healthier than information such as date. Moreover, it enables you to perform significantly more accurate searches by using information such as date. Left-hand panel does not only display the sources, it does also contain information about data types. As you can see, it also allows you to assess the number of PDF files and Word documents. Search options. We used keywords and date range in our examples. You can perform a search within a zip or PDF file attached to an email. GEODI 102 training details other search functionality. With a little practice, you will easily get used to it. Adding documents with drag and drop. You can effortlessly add files to GEODI using the drag and drop feature, and during the process, you also have the option to sign these files electronically with an e-signature. GEODI seamlessly and automatically incorporates files and content added to data sources of the project. A data source may be a shared folder, email accounts, social media accounts, or even a database. GEODI users also have the option to add additional content by dragging and dropping it into the browser. Drag the file you want to add into your browser and drop it to the related data source within the facet area. If the destination data source has subdirectories, you may as well select it. Very simple and easy to use. Collaboration, note-taking. GEODI does also allows you to take notes on the contents. With GEODI, by taking notes you can inform your teammates about a report, an invoice, or a specification. No version confusion, GEODI does not create a copy of your files. Through notes, you can effectively keep your team informed and ensure direct communication by tagging them. GEODI sends an email to tagged persons with a link to the mention that they are tagged. GEODI offers an easy and practical way to collaborate. Scan documents. You can effortlessly upload scanned documents to GEODI by using an office scanner or a mobile app like CamScanner. These documents will be automatically converted into text through OCR. This streamlined approach empowers you to swiftly enhance your archive. Through instant notifications, other users are also informed about the documents you've uploaded. Collaboration monitoring search results. Utilizing the search function, you've efficiently pinpointed documents that align with your specified criteria. You may as well automate this process by setting rules. GEODI will alert you when a new content matching your search criteria is available. Let me know when a new invoice is loaded. Let me know when a new document containing IBAN number is available. Creating alarms that trigger alerts based on your search criteria is very simple. Create a search query that fits your purpose and save it. It is truly that straightforward. Calendar tab. GEODI offers diverse ways to present search results, including options like calendar and map views. Dates in a legal document or dates in a report are included in this calendar. GEODI generated the calendar using dates extracted from the contents. Dates found in a legal document or a report are shown in the calendar. To see contents related with a selected date, just find a blue highlighted date and click on it. Map tab. The map reveals locations referenced in the content. Provinces, districts, parcel numbers, street names, and much more are mapped. The map dynamically changes based on the search results. The map visualizes your client base, export markets, social media feedback and parcels from your zoning archive. The map provides insights into your business engagements, highlights neighborhoods receiving higher aid, or may as well visualize the sources of your acquisitions from other countries. Empowered by the features on the left-hand side of the map, you have the flexibility to change the map layer, or switch between heat and 3D views. Performing search with Chrome plugin. You may have ERP, CRM, or any other web-based application. Or you've came across a particular phrase while searching on Google and wished to conduct a search for it within your own dataset. Install the GEODI extension for Chrome browser from the menu at the top right of the search page. This add-on enables you to search your own dataset defined in GEODI through a web page or another application accessible by a browser. Congratulations! You have completed another training session. In this video, we have provided common knowledge on how to use GEODI. More information can be found in our training video series. For further insight, we strongly suggest that you try what you have learned in this video on your own. If you have any further question, please feel free to contact the DJ team.